Yeah, look at Livingston.
Bump
Yeah.
it. I want you to bump the start. Just, I mean, like, just make it spin and kill it. I mean, like, just.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
What's up, y'all? So we're here at Bethy Creek on Lake Livingston, well, in the Riverside area. Turns out that we might have to make changes to our plans. Why, Kevin?
River's flowing really, really hard.
Oh, really hard, nice and hard.
Wait, isn't this extreme jet ski?
Oh,
Yeah, it's very extreme.
That's
So we're gonna go up river.
Exactly, like she said, it is
extreme.
extreme.
And then we're
So-
gonna tube down river. No fuel necessary.
No fuel.
Right? Look, actually, we should bring some tubes and just drop people off and let's see how fast they can get down the river. All right, we'll see you on the water.
In the water.
Always, peace.
Damn it, Karina.
So you decided to swap
I
them out,
said, this is Araceli, Kevin, everybody.
Good, good.
Safety first. Safety breathing time.
Added another one to the seat. All right, so we're gonna check out the river. It's supposed to be flowing a lot. So we may turn around and come back just because it's too much crap in the water or whatever other kind of excuse we can come up with.
But that wouldn't be extreme if we don't go.
Yeah, that's what
I mean, I'm just saying.
I'm at the 110 miles. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it. So know what? If we turn around and go back out in the river, that could change up everything.
5 minutes later.
You with the vibe, just come outside. We lit tonight, just live your life.
Y'all didn't get to see. This is gonna be like take 2 of trying to leave the dock because Kevin's other ski broke down. But we're on our way.
Touching cause explosions. Rise up. Way too great to be landed. Rise up. Way too great to be standing.
They never gonna stop us, fly around like choppers, better took those risks, cool, but in my face we fire starters, one of them you will reach those heights, always in a fear that I won't see now, work, never toss, look at my eyes, I'm on the promise, rise. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
Rise up. Rise up. We are the apocalypse and a path that keeps us floating. As we fly above the stars, the light won't scare us falling. So rise up. Way too great to.
A little bit of shit in the boat, right?
What happened? Is it better?
Oh. No, I got something stuck in it.
You like all this stuff in the water? Now let's see how fast our skis can go downriver.
Come on, son. Girl. I was like, there's a lot of shit in the water. A lot. So we're gonna head back.
3400 outside, drop 1. starters. Let's go. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that one. Never the toss. Look in my eyes. I'm on the rise.
I think somebody here has.
Maybe we should check where the intake's at.
Yeah, we can try and roll it a little.
Roll it. You want to roll it on its side that way or there? Let me.
I got it.
Yeah, look at me.
Bump
Yeah.
it. I want you to bump the start. Just, I mean, like, just make it spin and kill it. I mean, like, just. Get you off land. We'll just vibrate our asses all the way back to the dock.
All right, let's go get another ski. Let's go get a Seadoo to the rescue. I mean, there's 2 Yamahas that are down right now.